Gluing of a waterproofing sealing membrane to a KESSEL drain is a quick and easy process. Important is that the screed layer has fully dried before any work begins. Information concerning the correct adhesive to use can be found in the installation instructions. First, wipe the drain flange clean with a moist rag to assure any dust or debris has been removed. Before applying the adhesive, the first few squeezes of adhesive should be thrown away. Only use the adhesive when a uniform color is seen. Now apply a 6 mm bead of adhesive onto the center of the drain flange. Place the membrane onto the drain flange so that the screw holes line up. The counter flange should be installed right away and screwed tight. After a drying time of 45 minutes, waterproofing work on the drain can continue. Please follow all manufacturer's instructions for the waterproofing system being used.